It's okay, Landy. It'll be alright. We'll have a party tomorrow with... Oh, honey, don't cry. Buddy. Don't cry. You're upsetting yourself. It's okay, buddy. It's alright. We'll have a Halloween party tomorrow. You'll see. It'll be fun. It'll be fun, honey. Don't cry. You didn't miss much. It was so cold out. It was very cold out. Oh, honey. Remember last year and the year before how cold it was? We had to come home early because it was so cold. Remember that? We'll go trick-or-treat next year. Even if we gotta move someplace warm, okay? Would you like that? Buddy, don't cry, honey, please. Oh, baby, don't cry. Thank you, Disney, for making a happy Halloween for us. Oh, you poor kid. It'll be okay. You'll see. We're going to have fun tomorrow. Good things come to those who wait. It's going to be fine, Landon. You'll see.